Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to publish the report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. For that we have to first log in into the Power BI service account in Power BI desktop. After that we have to create a report in Power BI desktop. So I have created the report already in Power BI desktop. So later we have to save the report in your desktop. So I am saving it. So the file name is AP Results 2019 Dashboard 1. So save it. So after saving the report, click on the publish. After clicking the option publish, we have to select the workspace. So I am selecting the workspace is my workspace. After that you have to click on the select. So after it will show like success. Once you get a success message, it will publish done. So let's verify the report was published or not. So for that I am going to my workspace. So see, the report was published. So after publishing the report was published in the service as a report in report view and data is in data set. So in report we have the visuals, created visuals or created report. In data set we have the data of the dashboard. So this is the way we have to publish the report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. Thank you.